Welcome to the TQ UK Level 3 Award in Education and Training, an official government-accredited and professionally recognised teaching qualification. This online course will enable you to enter teaching employment with a recognised qualification and progress on to broader teaching qualifications. It's suitable for both experienced practitioners and those new to teaching, and it covers the roles, responsibilities and relationships in teaching, understanding inclusive teaching and learning approaches, and understanding assessment in education and training. You can complete the course at your own pace from the comfort of your own home, having 24-hour access to all the course material online. Our easy-to-use online course has a variety of learning tools, including amazing videos available on our online learning platform, so you can learn in the most convenient and compatible way with your lifestyle and personality. We've trained thousands of satisfied students, and our experienced staff will be there every step of the way to help you reach your accredited qualification. Train with an award-winning school. Choose the TQ UK Level 3 Award in Education and Training today.